Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make hummus with ground beef or chickpeas with ground beef. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. 200 grams of ground beef or any quantity you like, and it preferred to be with some fat. Some hummus or chickpeas cream. And if you don't know how to make hummus, I'm gonna leave the link below this video. 2 spoons of margarine, half spoon of 7 spices, half spoon of salt, and finally we're gonna have some pine seed to decorate our dish. These are our ingredients, and now let's go and see how to prepare our hummus with ground beef. On a frying pan over the stove, put the margarine that we have on it and leave it until it dissolves. Add the meat over it. And the 7 spices, mix all together until the meat is fried, like you see in the video. And before take it down, add the salt over it. Take it down and put it over the hummus. On the same frying pan or another one, put a little bit of margarine, add the pine seeds on it and fry the pine. When it's done too, add it over the meat. And that's all for today. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.